guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up and trying on everything in this month's BOXYCHARM box. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. You guys know that I do an unboxing, a try-on unboxing every month of my BOXYCHARM. There have been a lot of rough boxes in the past, so we're gonna go through everything that I got this month, see how it works out, and I'm obviously gonna apply it to my face so you guys can see how it performs. And we'll go from there. If you're interested in checking out BOXYCHARM, I'll link it down below. I think that's all I've got to say, so let's hop into everything that I got. Okay, when you open up the box, this is the pamphlet. It says Afterglow, and that's it. So this just says obviously all of the prices and the products. So the first thing in the box is this. It is from Touch in Soul, and it is the No Poreblem primer. And I've actually tried this before. I had a little sample of it. I thought I still had it, but I don't think I do. It's supposed to be a smoothing and pore covering. I did not like this when I tried it, and I want to say that the one that I had seemed like it had already gone bad, and so it was really liquidy and like gross feeling. So I'm excited to try this again because I've heard good things about it. Let's see, this one retails for $18. It says, create a seamless canvas for your foundation with our new Touch in Soul No Poreblem primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. So we shall see. I already put on my Dermalogica Active Moist, so let's go in with this. It definitely has a different texture than the last time I tried it, so I do think that that one must have been bad already, because I don't know why else it would just be like really gross and liquidy. So this feels really smooth. Okay, it almost kind of feels silicone-y in a way, but I don't know. My skin looks smooth, but I wouldn't say that it filled in all of my pores. Like right in this area is where I suffer from enlarged pores, and I don't think that it completely smoothed them, but we will see how makeup sits on top of it. So I'm gonna put my foundation on and I will come back for the next product. The next product in the box is from Pretty Vulgar. This is their Bronzed Bee Bronzer. It retails for $32, and it says, this vegan matte bronzing powder gives your skin a natural radiant looking finish. Enriched with ultra smooth oil-free lightweight pigments, this bronzer allows for easy blending and perfect coverage. So I'm a total idiot and already contoured. So I wanted to just do everything with just this, but I messed up. So I'm just gonna go in and warm up the rest of my skin with this. So I'm taking my EcoTools Sheer Powder Brush. Ooh, this looks really warm toned on my brush. Okay, it's very pigmented. And it's pretty warm. Okay, I feel like this is gonna be a color that's gonna look better on me in the summer. It is definitely way more pigmented than I was expecting it to be. But it actually is blending out nicely. I was a little worried I was gonna be stuck with like an orange looking face, but I feel like that blended out. So you just have to be light-handed about this, but I guess the moral is if you mess up, you can blend it out. I actually do really like this formula. Yeah, I feel like this color is nice. I think it'll look better on me when I'm a little bit tanner, either self-tanned or in the summer. But I do think that it left a nice pretty glow on my skin. Okay, the next item is from Nudestix, and this is the Magnetic Luminous Eyecolor in the shade Copper Foil. So this retails for $24, and it says, a super long wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding, and easy to blend. The Nudestix Magnetic Luminous Eyecolor is the ultimate multitasker to achieve intense color, precise lining, and primes lids for all-day waterproof wear to ensure your nude glam lasts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to put this bronzer in my crease, and then I'm gonna put this stick all over my lid. You guys know that I like to use bronzer in my crease quite often just because it's so easy and it just kind of creates like an easy, effortless look. This has that stupid packaging. Oh my gosh, that never happens for this stupid plastic packaging to come off in one swipe. So this is what it looks like. And okay, that is very, very coppery. It actually blends out like pretty seamlessly. So we'll see what this actually looks like on my eyes. I'm just gonna kind of draw it all over my lid. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with my ring finger. Okay, I mean, I think that's pretty. It definitely, I think you have to do one eye at a time because I think it dried a little bit, so it's harder to blend out after it's dry. And then next in the box is from Too Faced. This is the Better Than Sex Mascara. This retails for $24. I feel like this is like a cult classic. Everyone has tried it. I've tried it countless times. But it says, indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Don't know why that word was so hard for me. But yeah, this is a very volumizing mascara. And since I am going to test out a mascara, I'm not going to put liner on just so that you guys can really see the mascara. But it does have this hourglass shaped wand and yeah. Also, I'm sorry that there's this cut on my hands if I'm like zooming in. I can't go through the night without peeing in the middle of the night, and my bedroom is upstairs and my bathroom is downstairs. And I almost fell down the stairs the other day and I caught myself on molding and just sliced my hand open. So that is why I have this ugly cut on my hand. Okay, I'm gonna curl my lashes and then we're going to apply this mascara. Okay, this is what one coat looks like. Okay, this is the difference between 2 coats and 1 coat, just kind of for reference. Okay, so this is 2 coats on both eyes. That is the rest of the makeup. The last product in the box is from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Coco Cabana cream, and it's the little mini size. This retails for $20, and it says, Sol de Janeiro's Coco Cabana cream instantly transforms dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into its softest, bounciest, most luscious version of itself. Its oil and water gel cream texture kisses the body with a cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold, and hug moisture for up to 72 hours. So, one of my subscribers that I talk to all the time said that she has this and it smells like movie theater popcorn. She's right, it does. I do not like the smell of this. I love the Boom Boom cream from them, but this is just not the scent for me. In case you aren't familiar, this is their Boom Boom cream, and this one smells so delicious. I love the scent of this, but this one is just a total pass for me. Okay, so that is everything that I got in this month's box. The grand total was $118 and it does retail for $21. So just quickly, I'm gonna go through the products. I actually think that my mind is changed about this primer. I feel like my makeup sat on top of it really, really nicely and I actually really like it. The Pretty Vulgar bronzer, I did really like this. I think that it'll look even more flattering on my skin once I'm a little bit more tan. It does look a bit warmer on my skin than it looks in the pan. I was expecting it to be a bit more neutral, but I still really like it, and I think that the formula was really, really nice. This Nudestix, what is it, Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. I liked this. I don't know how much use I'll get out of it just because I do have a bunch of other ones like this, but I think this is an easy way to have like a one product eye look if you want that. I think it's super easy. You could travel with this and just pop it on your eyelid, blend it out with your finger, and be done with it instead of going into a bunch of different products. So I think this is kind of like a one and done type of a product. I just have a lot of products like this in my collection and I just don't go through them ever, so I don't know how much I'll use it, but I did like it. The Better Than Sex Mascara, I like this mascara. I think that it's nice. I think it does a lot for your lashes. It's not my favorite mascara ever, and I do think that the L'Oreal Lash Paradise is essentially the same thing and it's way cheaper, so I would always opt for that one, but I think that it's nice that it's in the box this month. And then lastly is the Sol de Janeiro Cream Total Pass. I think that this is my favorite box that I've ever gotten so far from BOXYCHARM. The only thing that I tried was the Better Than Sex Mascara, but other than that, I hadn't, oh, well, I did try this primer, but I didn't like it, so I'm glad that I have it again. But I think that this was a decent box. I feel like a few months past, I have been not super happy with it, so I will link the playlist down below of the past BOXYCHARM box videos that I have done so that you guys can see other things that I've gotten. But yeah, that is everything for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know down below if you get BOXYCHARM. If you do, did you get the same box? Did you get different things? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Tell me all the things down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.